guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I am super excited because today is my DIY dollar store challenge, and I had invited everybody to join me in creating a fall DIY for from the materials that had come from dollar store. Now the reason why I'm saying dollar store is because I am located in Canada and our Dollar Trees truly aren't the best, and a lot of our supplies come from Dollarama, so I wanted to give that option. And also there are plenty of other participants that aren't necessarily from US, maybe from all over the world, and they might not have Dollar Tree, but they might have a dollar store type of store. So I wanted to open that up to everybody. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. I'm going to show you all the materials that I have gotten and where they came from, and then I'm going to start the project. I will be making a fall wreath. Not that those haven't been done before, but I need another wreath for my mudroom door, which is where the daycare kids enter, and I wanted to do something fun, something different that I haven't done before, so I thought this would be a perfect project for that. So without further ado, let's get started. So here are the supplies. I have picked this up a while back, and can't actually remember where this one came from, whether it came from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. These have definitely come from Dollar Tree. This was from Dollar Tree. It's a little garland. These were, again, I think these are from Dollarama, but I'm not 100% certain. This little wreath is part of a garland that had come from Dollarama. These have come from Dollarama, and these were from Dollar Tree, and these were from Dollar Tree as well. I picked this up at Dollar Tree. I really like this one. And then they also had this form, which is a bigger form. It is an 18-inch form, and they had it for the same price as the smaller one at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to heat up my glue gun and get started. So I want to place this in the middle, angle it a little bit, but I'm gonna take the little hanging part off, the little rope, and then I'm going to hot glue it over here. Once my glue is, and while my glue is heating, I'm going to take apart this just so it's easier to attach them. But I think before I attach these, glue these on, I'm going to wrap the garlands around, so that way I know what that's going to be like my base. Okay, so the hot glue has heated up, and I'm just going to add a fairly generous amount. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like sure it doesn't get stuck to my, and I'm going to start with this. I'm going to cut off the little round part. Start here. Okay, so I now have a bit of a base set up. Now I'm going to add these leaves at random spots. This would probably be a bit easier if you've had a grapevine wreath form, but since my dollar store doesn't carry those, and this is a dollar store project, I am doing it with this one, and I want to show you that you can do it with this one as well. I just miss you. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the bigger flowers, and I'm going to separate these as well and just put them at random places.
It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
I'm gonna take apart this one and just add these wherever I need to.
Miss you.
Okay, so I'm gonna take these apart and just stick them in random places.
Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you.
Okay, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use up the rest of these. I'm just gonna try and fill it in with some of these leaves.
So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change.
Now I'm going to take one of these apart and just add them where there is visible empty spot.
Riding on the dizzying heights.
And then I'm going to add just these ones like that.
Remember the colors, they were wrong. It was way more than a dream. We climbed up,
I actually have quite the open spot here, but I'm just going to put a little,
'cause there's no going back.
that actually works.
Back to your old life. Not living in the past. We're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the dizzying heights.
And I'm going to add some of these leaves as well, because I like the different the different lengths, I guess, that it provides. It's all personal choice, personal preference, how you like things to look.
Everything's so much better. Riding high on the river. You and I. We're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high.
Okay, I'm gonna hang it up and just see if I need to add any more stuff to it, because it's kind of hard to see what this looks like. So here it is. I think it looks great. I love the way the Harvest Blessing looks right in the middle, and I like all the different traditional colors that are included in this wreath, but at the same time it gives off a bit of a rustic feel, which is what I'm going for in my decor. So I'd like to thank everybody that participated in this challenge, and make sure you check out the playlist that will be linked down below. And if you are participating, make sure you add your video to the playlist linked down below. So the creators playlist is for people linking their videos, and regular playlist is for anybody that wants to watch everybody's videos. So, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification and giving me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to share if you know of anyone that would benefit from this tutorial. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down.